Si Ian Roses, si Doc. Kasi ang approachable niya, napaka-light. So even though na lahat tinatawag siyang Doc, hindi niya ginagamit yung profession just to, alam mo yun, parang say, or present himself na, I'm better, I'm ganito, ganyan, respect me. But he's just really light and approachable.
Clarence, pinaka-friendly sa lahat.
Si Johnny. Si Johnny dahil sobrang approachable niya. Nung nakasabi ko siya sa bus, sobrang daldal, kahit pagod na, nagsasayaw pa rin.
Jomi. Jomi of Pinagbuhatan, Pasig. I've seen him hop from groups to groups. So I think Jomi is one of the friendliest, I think, among the bunch. So yeah.
Si Jeter po. So, lahat po talaga kung nilalapitan niya, kinakausap niya, and although English, I try my best to communicate with him.
Si Rendon kasi ang hilig niya makapag-socialize and yun nakipag-bonding siya sa lahat.
Aris. Aris is a good friend and also a good friend to everybody.
Raib. Kasi siya yung una ko nakausap kasi siya yung una rin katabi ko nung time na nagkaroon ng dinner sa media dito sa Mr. Grand.
I would also give that to Clarence. Funny guy, yeah.
Friendly si Jeff. Yun talaga yung pinaka-friendly kasi kahit sabihin ko ng kaibigan ko na siya before, pero nung dumating siya dito, nakita ko kung paano siya mag-build ng friendship sa iba.
Si PJ Rosario from Pangasinan. Yes, he's my friend ever since nung nag-start pa lang po ako mag-showbiz.
Si Kuya Jefferson, Filipino community of Japan. The first day that I met Kazay, first one who say hi to me, and after we get into Bataan, we still talk on social media, we still talk in person, and I think that shows how friendly he is.
Red kasi I notice is very open to everyone, tapos jokester din. And parang down to earth lang siya, chill kausapin.
Si Basti dahil kakaiba siya sa mga nauna ko nakilala na mas mabilis ko nakapag-share ng problems and everything.
Si Jeter, kasi kahit minsan hindi niya naintindihan yung pinag-uusapan namin, which is Tagalog, but he's still there listening and he's still trying to communicate with us.
It's Revan because we have developed this close friendship. He's like my buddy since day one of our competition, and we share updates and information as well.
I'll choose Doc Ian Roses, yeah. Napakasimpleng tao lang pero super friendly.
Pinaka-friendly, it's actually Mr. Batangas. Because even though somehow friendly personally at the same time,
Si Romar kasi napaka-genuine niyang tao and also nagbibigay siya ng mga advice. Hindi lang sa akin, pati rin sa lahat ng candidate.
Si Basti Flores. Every time I see him, I greet him wherever. He always has a smile on his face and he's always like willing to help, or maybe it's just his voice. It's probably very soothing.
I think si Raed, because even though na hindi siya nagsasalita ng Tagalog, pinupush niya pa rin yung sarili niya na magkaroon ng communication with other candidates.
Carl, kasi sobrang click yung namin, yung ugali namin. Talagang okay po. Ayun, so I think si Carl.
Si Gerald. Kasi yung most of the time na yung bad namin, kami lang yung kakasama.
I would say Clarence. He really knows how to make everyone feel comfortable and let loose of all of the stress of pageanteering.
Mark Anthony Limo. Yung Bohol kasi matagal na kaming nagkilala. Tapos, palagi kaming nagkasama.
Kajal, si Aris. Si Aris lang yung nag-iisa dito na tumatawag sa akin ng kuya.
Si Christian kasi talagang makasama din minsan kapag yung may kailangan ka.
Aris Mintar, sinasalamuhan niya talaga lahat ng candidate as far as I know. And then, kahit hindi niya kilala, gino-joke niya.
Chovy, kasi nung una ko siyang nakita, nahiya ko siyang pansinin kasi medyo kilala siya sa social media. However, siya yung unang nag-approach sa akin. Siya yung unang nakipagkwentuhan and dun ko na-appreciate yung pagiging friendly niya na tao.
Darius po is kasundo ko po kasi siya sa mga kalokohan.
Si Josh, nagkaroon kami ng time para makapag-usap ng malalim-lalim about sa mga life namin. So, siguro siya.
Albay siguro kasi siya yung lagi kong nakakausap, nakakabiruan ko.